Preserved and factory-made food have crept into our diet so much so that today we cannot imagine a meal without them. They may lead to long-term negative effects on our health and fitness, but can we really live without them? Hi, this is Ahmed, your holistic fitness coach. I welcome you to another episode of Fitness Shorts. In today's episode, we will discuss why to avoid preserved and factory-made food, what all they contain that's so harmful to our health, and how can we remove or at least reduce them from our diet. But before that, let's take a sneak peek into our daily diet and what all preserved and factory-made food we eat every day. Take example of a family, Mr. Mahesh, his wife, Leela, and son Chintu. For breakfast, Mr. Mahesh takes bread with jam sandwich. Miss Leela takes poha with tomato sauce. Chintu prefers chocolate cereals. Most of what they eat comes from factory-made and preserved food. Let's understand what all it contains. Bread. Some of the chemicals used in bread industry, used as optional whiteners, dough conditioners and rising agents, may be harmful to human health. Jam and sauces. Sodium benzoate is a common preservative in acid or acidified foods such as fruit juices, syrups, jams and jellies. It can have side effects including nausea, vomiting and abdominal pain. Cereals. Two of the common preservatives used in cereals are BHA and BHT, called butylated hydroxyanisole and butylated hydroxytoluene. These preservatives are found in cereals, chewing gum, potato chips, and vegetable oils and have significant impact on long-term health. Artificial colors can lead to hyperactivity, behavioral changes, hives, asthma, and tumor growth as well. Above are just samples of what we eat. We eat much more than this in an everyday meal. Ready to cook food, packaged juices, carbonated drinks, biscuits, chips, chocolates. The list just goes on and on. Imagine amount of preservative, artificial colors, flavors, sweeteners we consume every day and its effect on our health in long term can be devastating. But the big question is, can we really eliminate it completely from our diet? The answer for many would be a big no, because it brings along with it lots of comfort, saving time in preparation and cooking, and supports long storage. So how do we eliminate or at least reduce these harmful ingredients from our diet? Well, the good news is there are many ways. First, start eating fresh vegetables, meat, egg. Try to consume as fresh as possible. 2. Start with 1 day per week with no preserved or factory made food. Then maybe increase to 2 or 3 days a week. Third, challenge your family members or friends for a task of no preserved food for a day. Fourth, create a list of preserved food you use and find a fresh alternative. If you practice these tips, chances are you will reduce 50 to 60% intake of these harmful substances, and it can help you live better and healthier. So here is the challenge for you. Tomorrow, try to avoid processed or factory made items from your diet. And if you could do it, do share with your friends and family members. Use the hashtags no artificial flavor, no preservative food, no artificial coloring, and share on social media and support us in spreading fitness all around. Join us on our YouTube channel youtube.com/holisticfitness for more such informative video and daily exercises. With that, happy fitness to you. Bye bye.